Usembut Myntri Rangba Khuborjylla ba Prestun Tensong menta kesengi ulai thu ba Kren Pynbeit put pedeng ke Meghalaya bat Assam kan Sdang Biang hadin ba ke Assam keladep ban yo ya ke Kynhun Myntri ke Bapura. Kren bekilap pathai Khubor usembut Myntri Rangba ulai thu manakaliang Myntri Rangba ke Assam uhimanta beswa sarma uladep ban penpau bagi kwa ban beteng biang ya ke kela ke baar jong ke jinge Pynbeit put tang ba minta kidang hap ban Shwa Haduh ban dayok pen scam ye ke Kynhun Myntri.
I think, see, if you talk about the regional committees, as far as the issue of the pending differences that we have between Meghalaya and Assam, now we are waiting for the, again, because as you all know, that the constitution of the cabinet, expansion of the cabinet is being awaited. And even the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, the Prime Minister Sharma, he has already expressed his willingness to again continue this the inspection of both the regional parties. But he requested us, please wait till the expansion of the ministry is completed, so that the minister's consent, which is going to be entrusted, will also be there in that regional committee.